Alright guys, we made it out to Sloppy Floyd State Park this evening. We're going to go out here and see if we can't get on some of these bluegill. I'm going to start off with a float and a worm. Christian's got a Betsy minnow tied on hers. I may wind up switching to a Rapala some here and there. Guys, let's see if we can't get on them.
See if I can't beat BC today.
That ain't happening, guys. Yeah, there's all the fish that they got in here. They've got crappie, bluegill, sunfish,
white bass,
some bass, spotted bass, shoal bass.
Oh, and cat.
Bream of sunfish ain't a size limit. You get 25 per day. You got pretty good crappie in here too. Ain't a size limit on those, 30 per day. Catfish, no size limit, 5 per day. These yaks in the water and see how we do with them. I'll stay with us. Alright guys, I hooked up with the first one. Feels like a pretty good one too. Feels like a big one. Oh yeah, it's a slab. Nice one, guy. Good one. I'll take that one for the first one. Hooked up with the first good one of the day. Not bad. Hopefully we can catch about 10 or 12 more that size or better.
Fish on! Nice one. My Betsy. Number 2 I got. Lost my other one, but this one seemed to do the job, huh? Oh yeah. I'm taking the BC. He's got my thump net. Let's go. Oh yeah, baby! Well, this thing got me this little bit, see, and it's got a little orange belly. It seems to work pretty good too. Lost my other one. I'll have to get some more.
Alright guys, I hooked up with another one. I ain't sure what I hooked into this time. That's a bluegill, it's huge. I don't know what this is I got on, but it's huge, whatever it is. I don't know. Not sure, but it's big. Catfish. Yeah. Big catfish. Big old catfish, fellas. Little bite got him wore down enough to bring him in the boat. Oh. Yeah, somebody else's fishing line all tangled up on him. I go over here, Christian, get my pliers. That little Aberdeen hook, I'll fit him pretty tough. Got somebody that done broke somebody else off. Got somebody else's hook and line in it. You got my pliers? Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's a big one. Yeah, it's got somebody else's hook in it. There he is, fish on, guys. Oh, that's a good one there. Nice one. Oh, it's another big old catfish. That's two of them. I'll fillet them up when I get to the house. Oh, it's a big one. He's soaking me, guys. Gotta let him get a little tired. Done got two of these. Another big old catfish. Is that a good one? Heck yeah. Kristen's hooked up with a good bluegill. She's back on here. Let's see if we can land this joker. Easy. That's two of them I've caught already. Yeah. What you got over there, Kristen? Good bluegill? I guess if you can hold him over to the other side for just a minute, I'll come around you. Pretty decent one, ain't it? Yeah, probably where you need to be. They're on bed right now, so. Did you get a picture with him or anything? I got him. No. Go ahead. No.
I shot him to the camera.
Yeah, I got her. Three of them Christian got. The catfish.
On my Betsy.
On the Betsy.
I'm heading back across over.
Might fillet them old catfish up. That's something I ain't did in a long time. Yeah, we'll cook them tonight. They just those slimy jokers. Alright guys, let's get back on.
Fish on! Maybe it's a good one. This little Betsy is killing it. Oh, it's a nice one. He's little. Not real big. baby. With striped fishing, that'd be awesome. Fish on, fish on. Oh, I hope it's a good one. Oh yeah, nice. It's big. Big. I gotta come see you. He about got all three again. This is how the pros do it. Look how big that brim is. Big and big. It's big, ain't he?
Yeah, that's a good one there.
I got you. I got you.
Oh, it is one in there.
Name my pliers.
Oh, it's a slab.
They're over there. I was just reeling it back in. I wasn't really paying attention. That's when I snagged it.
Yeah, that's deep in there.
Yeah, it was.
Got it out perfect.
Awesome. Can I lip it?
Grab your bow. Yeah.
Oh, camera's still rolling, so.
They don't have much of a lip process. Yeah.
Look at that, baby.
It's a nice one. Oh, there he is. Fish on. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah, slab. Another good one, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Good one. Guys, there's another good slab for the frying pan this evening. Let's go. Feels like another big old catfish. Fish on. Guys, these have been pretty fun to catch so far. And it's pulling me around a little bit. Wearing them out. Yeah. Hey, they like red wigglers. Well, this has been pretty fun, guys. 3 of these so far. Roll, 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 roll. Alright, now easy. I should have brought my little net out of the truck. Only fishing with 4-pound test for brim. Catching dang catfish left and right. Still on the same red wiggler though. Yeah, there's 3 weeks and catfish fillets when we get home tonight.
Oh, he nailed it. He's little, but he drilled it. Throw this little sucker bite. I don't really like this treble. It's the only reason I don't touch them. Little bitty. Throw him back. Go find the dada.
Alright guys, we're gonna go over here and see what Kristen's hooked them to. She's hollering she's got a good one. Get over here and we'll get my basket out so she can have this thump net. It's wound up being a pretty nice day. We had a pretty good storm last night come through, murked the water up a little bit, but good overcast day today. A little windy, but it feels good. Well, that is a good one. You got the pliers, don't you? Oh. What's the other rod right there, Mom? I'll get it out for you.
It's big, ain't it?
Yeah, that's a good one there. Oh, okay. Oh, it is down in there. Oh, it's a slab.
He's big.
Yeah, that and there is what we're hunting today. We've got a few of them so far. A couple big catfish we're gonna clean up.
I ain't catching nothing on my worm and bobber, so I went to my Betsy.
Yeah.
They've been killing my
I
Betsy.
might need to try mine. We're
I got
falling.
an old little Betsy I let Bryson in. He's gonna burn fish.
Yeah. Look, you want this and let me get my basket out. That way we ain't got to. Yeah, these brims still sitting here just churning these cicadas over there. As soon as they hit the water, fish on them. Good, getting no out of the water. He's a little guy. That tree sticking out over the water just a little bit. Cicadas is falling off of it. Probably what we need to be fishing with. Be honest with you. I'm loving my trolling motor setup. Yeah, this is awesome. Oh, that ought to be money, guys. Oh, and it is. Fish on. Uh-oh. I couldn't tell. Felt like a big one. I think he was just fighting hard, though. Oh, decent. Yeah, we're going to let that one go. A little small. A little bit small. It's been pretty fun so far. Oh, there he is. Fish on. Oh, there's a big bass chasing it. Had a big old bass chasing it in. Let's see what this Rapala's talking about, guys. Nothing, probably. Let's see, like I said, I know they're still hitting those cicadas. I done watched them eat 15 of them already. Fish on, guys. Oh, I believe that's going to be a good keeper. Oh, yeah. Slab. That's a good one. Big one. That's a good one. Good bluegill. Yeah, he's over here hitting them cicadas. I literally watched this and eat a cicada, throw it over there on top of where he swirled, and he nailed it. He was coming back for seconds. On the little F3 Rapala. Alright guys, there's another pretty good slab. Wound up landing on the F3. Yeah, that little F3 Rapala right there is a good lure right now. Get a chance, give it a try. I believe it's going to be another good one. Oh, I believe it's going to be a slab. Oh yeah, biggin. 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 Ah, come here. There's another nice one for the basket. Pretty good one, guys. Not a bad bluegill. There we go. Yeah. Landed him successfully.